The Unleashed Sales app allows your sales team to better manage your products and customers and make sales whilst out on the road. Empower your team by giving them the ability to make sales whilst out of the office with all of the tools they'll need from Unleashed at their fingertips with our mobile sales app. The app is available to Unleashed customers and trialists on both Android and iOS devices. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be using an iOS device, but the interfaces are the same on both the Android and iOS apps. Simply go to your App Store on your device and search for Unleashed Inventory Sales app to install it. Before you and the team begin to use the app, users will need to be set up correctly in Unleashed. Every salesperson you want to have access to the app must have their own Unleashed user license. You must also ensure that each user has the correct user permissions set up. You can create a new role called Sales and enable access to the mobile sales app, customers, products, and all sales order related items. All users must also be set up as a salesperson in Unleashed. To do this, go to Settings, System, and click on Salespersons. Type in the salesperson's name and email address they use for their own Unleashed account. Add all salespeople that need access to the app. Once this is done, each salesperson can log into their mobile sales app. Open the app on your mobile device and use your email address and password that are associated to your Unleashed account to log in. You'll get the option to create a unique passcode to log into your app in the future. Either create a passcode or click skip if you wish to keep using an email and password login. Next, choose the account you wish to log into. If you have more than one Unleashed account, you'll be shown all of them, so choose the relevant account to continue. Your data will now sync from your Unleashed account to your mobile device as shown. Please note, the more customers and products you have, the longer this sync will take. With subsequent data syncs, this will be much quicker. Once this data sync is complete, you are ready to use your mobile sales app and react to your customers' needs anywhere, anytime. Thanks for watching.